너무 이게 뭐야? I had a reservation at 8:30, so yeah. Morning. Morning.
You can have a seat for the moment.
I have a seat first?
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you. Yeah,
Open the door.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Room.
Okay. Wow. Love it. Masaji의 7 and it was very strong and I felt really happy.
In Philippines.
Yeah, in 7, yeah.
You've been in the island.
Yeah.
What island? Boracay?
Boracay and Bohol.
Bohol, yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, very good morning. May I have your attention, please? We would like to inform you that the mandatory personal face-to-face immigration